Hi, Early World History. This is Mrs. Moses' Canvas course, and this video focuses on Module 2. You have two assignments: the Ottomans conquer Constantinople and the Ottoman Empire map analysis. The first assignment is going to have you read through a passage and answer 3 questions, and those questions can be found in bright red at the bottom of each passage. If you find that it's a little bit too difficult to be able to figure out that assignment, what you can do is click on the video underneath it and I read that passage aloud to you. You can have this playing in a video window on the side, and you can be typing your responses in a Word document. When you are all set to submit, you will click Submit Assignment. You can either upload the file you saved to the computer, or you can type your responses in the text box. Just make sure to have a Submit Assignment and click that button before you exit out of this frame. So, your second assignment is going to be an Ottoman Empire map analysis. I give you sentence starters, and you can download this to the computer so you can type right into the Word document. Okay? You may have to click Enable Editing, and you are going to use the maps to answer the 3 questions below. Map number 1 shows you this, and you are going to answer question number 1. Identify the 3 continents on which the Ottoman Empire existed. As you can tell, I have 3 blanks because there should be 3 answers. Number 2, identify the 2 bodies of water located close to the Ottoman Empire. 2 blanks, 2 answers. Map number 2 has a completely different question along with it. Looking at this map, we are going to use it to figure out why Constantinople was so important to the Ottomans. Constantinople was so important to the Ottomans because the map shows blank. What is this map showing that proves to us why Constantinople was an important thing for the Ottomans to conquer and take over? Once you have those responses filled in, you can save this document to your computer, and you can go back to your home. Click on the Empire Analysis assignment, and you will submit the assignment, again, either uploading the document you've worked in, or you can click on Text Entry and type in your responses that you have written. Just be sure to submit assignment, so that way you are all set with the 2 assignments that you need to complete for Module 2 in your Early World History class. If you have any questions, please let Ms. Moses or I know. Thanks.